We have another video on simplifying radicals and rational exponents, but now the exponents can have variables, so we're just going to make a separate video just to talk about these types of problems. The first thing you want to do is go back and remember that p to the 15k plus 4 came when you had p to the 15k times p to the 4, because our rule for when we multiply variables with exponents is we add the exponents. So now we just need to go back and think about this. This is a square root. So how many times does 2 go into 15k? So that would be 7. So we're going to take out a p to the 7k. And that's going to leave us with 1k on the inside. And then you have to ask yourself, how many times does 2 go into 4? Well, it goes in there twice evenly. And there are no remainder. So now we just simplify this back. P to the 7k times p squared is just p to the 7k plus 2 square root of p to the k. And you're done. They're not difficult problems. They're just a little bit different, which is why I'm making this video for you. Number 2. We have the cube root of 81. And then we have x to the 8a plus 2. So this is a cube root. But the first thing I'm going to do is separate the terms a little bit. So 81 is actually 3 to the 4th power. And then we have x to the 8a. And then we have x squared. So how many times does 3 go into 4? Once, so I can pull out a 3. But I have to leave a 3 on the inside. And then I have 3 going into 8a. So it'll go in there twice. So I can pull out an x2a. But I'm going to have to leave 2 a's inside because there are 2 remaining. And 3 does not go into 2 at all, so I do not get to pull out another x. But I do get to leave the x squared on the inside. So, to simplify one last time, this is 3x to the 2a cube root of 3x to the 2a plus 2. And that's it for that guy. So now we have a kth root. So, same thought process. How many times does k go into 3k? 3 times. So this is going to just take out an x cubed. How many times does k go into 4k? 4 times. So I'm going to take out y to the 4th. How many times does k go into 3? It doesn't. So we're left with our z cubed inside of our kth root. That's it. Done. Number 4, same kind of question. Can you take the kth root of 25? Nope. So that's going to stay inside. How many times does k go into 2k? Twice. So I'm going to take out an x squared. How many times does k go into 7k? 7 times. Y to the 7th. Done. So this example here gets a little bit trickier. So we have an a to the 4m plus 5 on the outside already. So we can leave him alone for now. Let's simplify the inside first. So again, this is the square root of a to the 9m times a squared. So if we simplify that, we are going to have 2 goes into 9 4 times. So we have a to the 4m. And 2 goes into 2 once. So that's an a to the 1st power, which we could just simplify that to a to the 4m plus 1 root, and then we're going to leave our m on the inside because 2 only goes into 9 twice, or 4 times, but we have 1 left over. And then we have this simplified for just the radical piece of it. So you have to remember, we still have an a to the 4m plus 5 outside times a to the 4m plus 1 root a to the m. So now remember, when you're multiplying, you can just add the exponents. So your final answer is a to the 8m plus 6 root a to the m. And that's it. So that one's a little bit trickier. All you really needed to do was simplify the radical and then just multiply it to what's already outside. All right, this is Longo and I'm out. See you, bye.